Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Prius spark plugs. First, let's prepare by gathering the necessary tools. You will need a socket wrench set, extensions, and a specific spark plug socket. Always ensure your engine is cool and disconnect the negative battery terminal to prevent any electrical issues during the process. Now, let's get to those spark plugs. Begin by removing the engine cover and any parts like the air filter assembly that might block access. Next, you will see 4 ignition coils, each held by a 10mm bolt. Remove these bolts, then gently disconnect the electrical connectors and pull each coil straight out. With the coils removed, use your spark plug socket to carefully extract the old plugs. Before installing new iridium plugs, apply a thin layer of anti-seize to the threads if they aren't pre-coated. Hand tighten each new plug to prevent cross-threading, then use a torque wrench to tighten them to 13 to 15 foot-pounds. Don't forget dielectric grease inside the coil boots. To finish up, reinsert the ignition coils and secure them with their 10mm bolts, torquing them to 80 inch-pounds. Reinstall the engine cover and any other parts you removed. Finally, reconnect the negative battery terminal. Remember, it's generally recommended to replace your Prius spark plugs every 100,000 to 120,000 miles for optimal engine performance.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.